What's up YouTube, I'm Shenmue and here's a tutorial on how to stream to YouTube using the open broadcast software, because a lot of people are using XSplit and you don't really get good quality and everything from XSplit, and with this you get all the benefits of premium on XSplit. So here goes, I'll just show you how now. Right, so first of all you're going to want to go into your settings, general settings, and I'm just going to give you some basic settings. Basically you just want to we're in advanced at the moment, sorry I didn't specify that part. Depending on how fast or slow your computer is, the slower your computer is you want to put it on ultra fast, and then the faster your computer is you want to put it on slow. I don't know why that is. I just have mine on normal, and I have higher quality resampling, force audio to sync to video time, pardon me, and then this I have on 20. Most of this is pretty much straightforward. It's just a few like boxes you need ticking. Allow 61 to 120 frames per second entry in video settings. Then you've got your audio, which is your default. There's a lot of people that are, hang on, I'll just give you an example. Right, if I use that and apply, okay. Right, if I was to preview my stream, the way that you can tell that your mic's not going to work is if you get this error. Now, a lot of people don't realise, but on their computer, the front of your computer is, hang on, let me just get it up. Your front of your computer is this front mic. In the back of your computer, some people have a red and a blue. The blue is line-in, and the red is microphone. Now, I have mine in line-in, because it's a lot more clearer, and it's a lot more higher quality. And just to prove, look, there we go, we didn't get the error, and my microphone's saying that it's playing. So back to settings, we go to video, where it's your basic settings, you basically 1080 by 720 or whatever you're having. And then here's the main part, hang on, yeah, put this on 7, try not to go any higher than 7 unless you've got a really fast and amazing computer, and this max bit rate and whatnot depends on your internet. Now the audio I put to MP3 because it's really clear and it sounds HD with 128. So I apply that, okay. Oh god damn it. And then we go into your broadcast settings here. Now obviously you're going to want it on live stream. It's normally on file output only. And I think that's for when you're just streaming, like you want to use it for recording like you can with XSplit. Now obviously you've got this, the way that everybody else has it, and then you've got all these other ones on here, but the one that we're looking for is custom. So you've got your server and your play path stream key. Now if you're a partner and you have the ability to live stream on your computer, I'm going to show you now. First of all, if you've not got it activated and you are a partner, you want to go to settings, and then down here you'll have something to say that you can activate your live streaming and whatnot, and then from there it should launch you either into your video manager, and it will show live events here. Now I need to delete that because I was just showing my friend how to do it. Wait for 4 seconds, sorry about this. Right, let's delete that. Right, now when you're in here you want to create a new live event, and I'm just going to call this test, and you're going to want to accept this. You can fill all of the rest of this in, you can put it to private or whatever. I'm putting mine to private because the simple fact that nobody else is going to be using it. Events. Now if you want to stream for longer than 4 hours without it recording, then just click disable here or enable. Now this feature here, this feature is if you don't have, hang on,
you lazy bastard. It's time to
hang on, let me just show you. Right, youtube.com/dashboard. Oh, I was already on it, idiot. Never mind. Anyway, you're gonna want to go to channel settings, I think it is, defaults. No, in video programming, and if you've not got this selected here, then if you've not got anything here and you have this ticked, then it'll put your live stream in every video that you've got on till you stop live streaming, basically, it's to help you promote. Then obviously your claiming options and all this other crap. Pardon everything, my French. And then you basically you're going to want to create an event. Now, a lot of people don't understand this part of it. Now obviously you've got this and this. Now these, every time you create an event, these change all the time. And a lot of people think, oh well, I've already done it once, why do I have to do it again? But basically, the way that this goes is, hang on, let me just move this a little bit. Right, so basically you've got your stream name here, which will go in this one, the bottom one, play path, stream key if any, and then you've got your primary server, so I'll just prove it to you here. Paste, that goes in there, and then you've got your stream key. This is technically your stream key. So you paste that in there, then you do apply, auto reconnect, unless if your internet's really bad, then don't have that ticked. But if you disconnect every now and again, it's good to auto reconnect, because then that way you can just start and stop, like pretty simple. And then basically click start stream on here. Now nothing's gonna happen on here, but you can test it by clicking this here, and as you can see my live streams come up, and I just had to mute myself. But it's pretty fast, and there's a slight delay on it, but that's about it. And then from there you click save, and then you go to your live control room, and you start streaming and whatnot. And that's pretty much it for streaming to YouTube using OBS. If you have any questions about it, then just let me know. This is the only video I know of that's on YouTube of streaming to sorry, this is the only video I know of about OBS streaming to YouTube. I don't see any others on there of streaming to YouTube. I only see ones of streaming to Twitch. Now if you want to stream to Twitch, it's pretty simple. I'll give you a 2-in-1 down for it. You want to go to broadcast settings, you want to go to Twitch, and then you're going to want to go to twitch.tv/ I think it was dashboard. I think it was. No, I don't think it worked. I can't remember what it were. But you need to get your stream key. You can just Google it, and then it'll just show you from there. Hang on one sec. Google.com.
You lazy bastard. It's time to dance.
Twitch stream key. Broadcast, that's the one. And then your key will show here. Now I'm not going to show my key or else everybody will be able to live stream to mine. But you get your key and you copy and paste your key into there. And then you apply, okay, and then you can stream to it. Blah 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 blah. So I hope this tutorial helped. Leave thumbs up if it did. If you're having problems with it, let me know. Just message me and I'll try to help you. Peace.